How to link DBD Epic Games account to Steam. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this easy tutorial. For this, all you have to do is open up a launcher and search for behavior account. This is where your DBD is associated with. Select on the first option, that is behavior account. You will be redirected to the official website of it. First and foremost, make sure you are logged into an account of behavior account. Now once you are in here, head to your game library. From the list of options, you'll be able to sync your gaming accounts. In order to do so, just check out the connection option that is available in your left hand side list. Now if you scroll down, you will find various of platforms to link. Tap on your Steam and select Confirm. Check out your Steam ID, then select on Link Account. This might take a while. Now once it is linked, you will find the linked account options right here, and under there your Steam must be present. If you want to sync up the data, just tap on Sync. And that is pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.